Hello guys, and welcome to the latest episode from Rover, and welcome to episode number 83. And today I'm at Baglan, located on the South Wales main line. This station is branded, as being on the Swan line, which is basically the local service between Cardiff and Swansea, which calls it the 5 local stations that only get a 2-hourly service. Just the trains you just saw, 175005. That was on the 1354 Arriva Trains Wales service to Swansea from Cardiff Central. And the train you just saw leaving was 158839, which I don't even think it was supposed to be, on the very much delayed 1332 Arriva Trains Wales service to Cardiff Central from Swansea. So yes, we've seen an extra train here due to a big fat delay of about 22 minutes. Let's say big fat delay, I use that term loosely. So, I don't actually. So, today you'll be seeing services from Arriva Trains Wales and Great Western Railway. You'll only be seeing a planned one stopping train. We've seen 2 now. So, well, we've seen 3 really. Meant to see 2, but now we've seen 3. Or we will be seeing 3. So yes. Joining me today is James's Rail Photography and a football player, otherwise known as Ryan Russell, or Ryan, don't care, channel name, the link will be in the description. I'm just going to say Ryan, I don't care what his channel name's called now, unless he changes it to something train related. So, I'm looking forward to filming here. This is a station that I've been generally interested in filming up for a while. It's one of the local stops that I avoided on the Rover series of the original, so this is my first time here. So I like the look of Baglan. I think it's actually a really nice looking station, and it's the way it looks like a Welsh Briton. So let's see what's on offer here, shall we? Let's get started here at Baglan. Okay, passing through now is an Arriva Trains Wales service from Carmarthen to Manchester Piccadilly. There it is, I see it. Probably just can't see how fast it is from a distance. When it gets closer, you'll see. Yeah, that's quite fast. (175.006). Okay, passing there is 153323 on the test run from Cardiff Canton to Cardiff Canton. Passing as well, we've got an Arriva Trains Wales service from Manchester Piccadilly to Milford Haven. It's formed of 2 coaches, it looks like. Yep, 2 coaches. (175.011). Okay, passing now is a Great Western Railway service from London Paddington to Swansea, which is formed of a 5-car 800 on its own. It's 800.018.
And it's coming home.
Yeah, that one says it's coming home.
It's a 158 by the way.
Okay, passing through now is an Arriva Trains Wales service from Fishguard Harbour to Cardiff Central, formed of a 158. (158.841). Alright, passing through now is a service from Swansea to London Paddington. 800 008 and 800 016. Okay, passing through now is an Arriva Trains Wales service from Manchester Piccadilly to Carmarthen. It's 175 008. Now, interesting fact about the train that was meant to pass through, which was from Milford Haven to Manchester Piccadilly. That service has been reported 48 minutes late at Llanelli due to an operational incident. We have no idea what's gone on. But yes, 52 minutes late it was originally, then it skipped Pembury and Bury Port.
When you realise the door's hanging off.
I have no idea what's happened, but it's an operational incident, so that makes me think that they've made a mistake. So I wonder what that mistake was. Okay, passing now is a Great Western Railway service to Swansea from London Paddington. And it's 800 020. And just to give you guys a further update, basically what's happened, the Milford Haven to Manchester Piccadilly service has been delayed due to a trespass incident at Kidwelly. So there's been a few problems there, so yes. Okay, arriving now is the slightly delayed 1532 Arriva Trains Wales service from Swansea to Chester.
175.
And it's form number 175. Should be 175 005 on its return. It is indeed. Okay, departing now is 175 005 on the 1532 Arriva Trains Wales service to Chester from Swansea. Okay, passing now is service from Swansea to London Paddington. As that one passes through, that's 800 020. And as that one passes through, I'm good.
020?
Was it 018?
18.
Oh, 018, of course it was, yeah. 800 018, sorry. 020 passed us on the other side. I'm going to finish a video from Baglan here. So thank you all for watching this video from Baglan. If you have liked what you've seen here, please do like and subscribe. Please do leave any comments because I will get back to them as and when I can. And any recommendations are welcome, so please do leave those in the comments. Joining me today was James's Rail Photography and Ryan.
Ryan is trying to hide.
He's trying to hide away.
He's behind you.
There he is, look. Right, so I must say this station is really nice. Scenic, got great views, and I'm regarding this station as the Welsh Briton. It really is. Be quiet. I'm regarding it as the Welsh Briton. It is an amazing station. It's beautiful, great speed for trains. It's great passes. I really enjoyed this station. I really did. I would highly recommend it as well. Nice little station in between Swansea and Bridgend. It's very nice. The next station is episode 84, and that's from Briton Ferry. So I shall see you all there. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you all at Briton Ferry. Goodbye.